Today I'm learning how to boomerang cards. So basically what that is, you flick a card just a certain way to make it spin out and come right back. You catch it. So we'll see how long this takes. I'm trying to figure out how to do this. Well, it's gonna be some major cleanup with this one. So you hold it. And it's not spinning. I'm assuming it's supposed to spin. I know I'm supposed to be doing something with this finger, but I don't really know. I don't know about that. It's just not spinning. That's one deck down. I have a feeling this won't be a full deck after a couple tries. I might know what I was doing wrong. So I need to place my fingers like this, and then pushing down with my middle finger and up with my pointer finger. Oh, it spun. Don't think that counts as a boomerang. Does count as progress. That one's lost into the car. We wanted to go. All right, so the more I emphasize this motion, the more it spins. But there's another cleanup. Okay, I'm kind of figuring out how to make it possible to have them come back. There's two parts to that. First part is, on this flick, I'm now putting my pointer finger close to the end and making sure that I'm holding my hand upright, palm facing up. And that seems to make them more likely to float back. The consistency is getting better. All right, here we go. It's just not getting quite far enough now. All right. Not the arc we're looking for, but at this point I'm happy if I can just spin it at all. Okay, I'm just gonna work on spinning it as much as I can. I think the spin is important to be able to control it. So if I can consistently spin, my theory is then I'll more likely be able to control where that spin goes. Okay, I'm making a slight change to the challenge because I've kind of done some catches. Not sure exactly if they count. I have done a couple further ones, caught it. So the change of the challenge is I'm gonna have to get 3 in a row to consider this learned and done, because otherwise I feel like it's easy to just get a fluke one that just happens to work. So I want this skill to actually be learned, so we're going for 3 in a row. So back to it. Definitely getting cleaner. There's one. There's 2. Not quite. There's 1. There's 2. I'm not sure what's going on. All of a sudden, I made this new challenge and then all of a sudden I'm getting them. 3. Yeah, buddy. Let's go. I still want to get better at this just because it feels cool now that I can do it.